Yeah, make sure it's recording. Alright, good. So today is Wednesday. I just get a call a while ago, from one of my clients them for mash up a little work. I know that it's good news in times like these. Good news for somebody who I might owe some money, because what I have been doing since this coronavirus pandemic breaking in Jamaica, I have been spending my money very sparingly, and I have been paying only essential debts. Like food bill, things like that, things we need to survive. So all the non-essential debts that I have out there, basically pay them with extra cash. So like, I get a call like this and I have food already, somebody might actually get paid. So it might sound a waste, but in a time like this when you have a lot of savings, you have to really take care of what you have, and some of the persons who I classify as non-essential debts are the big people who me owe. So me owe the bank some more money. The bank can wait a little bit. As a matter of fact, the bank so they might give us waivers still. So things like that. So I'm not really worry about the people who have money already who me forget thing. I kind of focus on like probably the small man them if me owe like one of my friend them I think knows them probably want to buy food, isn't me? People like them people may pay. But on a serious note though, people, I'm not sure if you realize since this coronavirus outbreak in Jamaica, I mean, it has been a lot of people have been suffering a real and severe beating. I mean, one of them people, because once you're in business, I mean the nature of your business are gonna really, dictate how much the virus affect you. Because I am basically into a business that requires, mass gathering. That is a no-no. From this thing breaking in Jamaica, that is a complete no-no. So you don't know how it go. I mean, no money now make. So I just go and pinch the little bit I have, and each time I get a little call for run out and go do something. I think about, which one of my debtors them I go, kind of free up. Because that's how we have to do it. Alright, so as you guys know, or you may not know, I'm a photographer, videographer, graphic designer. So I basically work in a production company. It's called ProCut Multimedia. You can see logo up on my shirt. So me on my way there now. We go shot up a little photo shoot. I mean, it's a little work, but yeah, still work, you understand? Any money is money in times like this. So we're grateful for any money. Yeah, so I might not be able to share, anything from the photo shoot, because some persons are really confidential people, but I'll see how it goes, and you'll see. Alright, so you don't know, so stay tuned. See you later. Hi, and mommy's over there. Mommy, come on, mommy. Alright, say it again.
Hello, world.
Hey! Mommy, go on again, man. Mute again, man. Alright, so we're gonna do a photo shoot for them people. You ready? Photo shoot, we say. You not ready? So anyway, I use my vlog camera to take some pictures. So we decided to use my phone to get like a party. So we're gonna do an entire. We probably have to just play the daddy roles and daddy gonna work. Zane, whole family.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're on the road. I'm on the road again because we were in the photo studio a while ago taking some photos, but then the lady would love to get some natural background for some of the photos. So we're trying to find a location. Well, we have a location in mind. We're going to be taking some photos on a natural background. Alright, so we hope we get some nice pictures. Zane. Okay, so we basically reach the location and the lady she not quite reach her yet, and I think she stop by something. So may I wait for her. So in the meantime, some persons has been wondering, what I use for vlogging. So this is what I'm using today. I use basically any camera I get my hand on, whether it's my phone or whatever. This is the Sony A7 R2 with a 24 to 70mm f4 lens mounted on it. And it does a pretty good job. So the footage that you're seeing in this video is actually shot on this camera. Alright, so guys, now you know. Oh, and on top of it I just have a little cheap microphone. What's the name? Takstar microphone. That is basically sold on Amazon for about $25. I have We have these microphones for sale also back at the shop. So if you want one, guys, link me up. Zane, we have them. Big up on yourself. Grass with water, there's no rain. Alright, so we are at the location that we're going to be taking some photos. A very familiar location actually. Trying to get some natural scenes. The grass is not so green, but who cares, right? Take some pictures same way. Sky nice and blue. The sky is so, look at that, the sky is so pretty. Wow, nice blue skies. The bathroom, inside one is the bathroom.
Hello world.
Say hello world, say hi.
Hi.
Tell them to subscribe, tell them please subscribe.
Please subscribe our video.
Yes. Thank you. You're here, please subscribe, guys. We need all the support we can get. Video the back, man. So make it some the back. I'm gonna use this lens and this lens. So, I'm not vlogging right now, so I'm gonna be taking off, removing my mic from this. Yep. I'm gonna be shooting natural light, so moving that. We have been on for. Sure. Let's go 85mm. I don't. Okay, and we are done. We just finished the photo shoot. Right? Was it fun?
Of course it was fun.
Yeah.
Is chasing down the monkey.
There and there's a wait. Is that there? Say there's a monkey in the tree. Gorilla. Is there a gorilla in the tree? I'm saying that I'm here. All right, guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to share. Yeah, share. Share. Say share. Should I make? You know, so should I make them race first? No, who wants to race? We don't come race. We go video it. Set. Yeah, we don't want to go still, you know. Come again. Ready, set, go! Yeah, we have a winner. I can stop. Mommy, tell them to subscribe, mommy.
Like, subscribe.
Alright guys, so we just finished shoot a while ago and basically on my way now to another little shoot. A lot of shoots happening today look like. So on my way to another little shoot right now, quick and fast.
No matter if you feel like you can't go anymore, just get up and get the work done. Right, this man?
Alright, so we just finished the photo shoot and get called for next to go quick photo shoot. So well, next to go quick job. So I'm just run in on it, mash it up, and then I'll go up.
Get the right shoes cool. I mean, I met Mr. David. I like a church boy, you know, granny choir and all of that. You know? And he would carry me through and he helped me and, you know, I'm no worse off. So today I want to really say thank you.
5 minutes later.
We're gonna wrap up that video right there, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, guys. Let's have some fun together, let's grow together. Hi, thank you for watching my video. Please also check out the suggested videos on screen right now or click on my photo to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Until next time, I am David saying take care.